Number 1. Swivl turns off because it's not fully connected to the mobile device. You're struggling, but what's actually happening is you're facing it the wrong direction. To avoid this, start by connecting Swivl first. Point the micro USB cord facing upward. Then connect your mobile device. Number 2, there's no audio from the secondary markers. You turn the primary marker on, and everything seems to be normal. But you didn't turn on the secondary markers. Instead, you just place them around the classroom. If they're not turned on, they're not going to record audio. Next time, open the marker menu from the capture screen. Turn on the markers, and you'll know they're on when the marker slots light up with the corresponding color. Number 3, the audio from the primary marker is muffled or the volume is poor. The microphone is in the marker. Wear it around your neck, but avoid interfering items like sunglasses or ID badges. If you're on the go, that marker is going to pick up all of the noise from these extra items. Instead, wear the marker higher and closer to your voice so it avoids the interference and captures the best audio. If you prefer to wear your marker instead, you can always purchase a marker clip accessory on our online store. Number 4, I'm not sure if my video is recording. So you press the record button on the marker, everything seems fine, but how can you be sure? Check the capture screen. The shutter button will turn red during the recording. You can also check the recording time ticker at the top. If it's counting upward, you're recording. The last way to check is from within the Swivl app. When you're finished recording, you will see a screen prompting you to rename or describe your project before uploading it to Swivl Cloud. Number 5, help! Where is my video? Okay, so you completed all the steps and your video definitely recorded, but upon logging into Swivl Cloud, it's nowhere to be found. When you share mobile devices, you must sign out of the Swivl app so someone else can sign back in. Also, it's common for users to accidentally create 2 accounts, one with their work address and one with their personal address. Check the bottom left-hand corner of your Swivl app. The email address of the account holder will be listed. If it's someone else's account, simply ask them to export and clone a copy to your library, and then they can delete the original. Cloning requires a pro account or higher, so if they are not a pro user, they can activate the 30-day free trial within Swivl Cloud. Number 6, there's always support. Our support site has tons of articles, how-to videos, guides, and FAQs to assist you if you're stuck. You can also submit a support ticket where you'll hear from a real agent who can walk you through any difficulty you may be having. And you can even chat with us live for more immediate assistance. Just visit swivl.com/setup or email support@swivl.com.